Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the layout of your app. Click on the Design section in the App Designer. You start in the Layout tab of the Design area. Here you first have the option of adapting the layout of your app. There are basically 3 different layouts available: Default, Tabs and Side Menu. The layout defines how an app is basically to be used. With the default layout setting, the app starts with a list of all available pages. From here the user can select individual pages which are then displayed. Using the back function, a user can then return to the app homepage. In the tab bar, a tab bar is displayed at the bottom of the screen. With the help of these tabs, the user can navigate the app. The display settings can be used to display only icons or icons with text, for example. The Side menu allows you to open the app navigation using a so-called burger menu. All available pages of the app are listed in the page menu that appears. In addition to the open animation, content for the side menu can also be configured. I will explain the subject of content and components to you in a separate tutorial. Here we are adding an image above the page selection as a test. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.